Hi, it's Jen from Shabby Fabrics, and as we look forward to the new year, one of my favorite things is to put certain quilts on the calendar. Quilts that like this, that are absolutely show-stopping bed-size quilts that have the most beautiful fabrics. This is Blooming Beauties, and the pattern is by Marilyn Foreman. And when I saw Evelyn's Hope Chest by Carrie Quinn from Marcus Fabrics, I knew it was the right time for Marilyn's amazing design to come together. So I contacted her, and she was awesome to work with. And I told her about the idea of Evelyn's Hope Chest, and she got to work. And this is the quilt that you're now seeing from Marilyn's design and these amazing fabrics. This is a 10-month block of the month program. And here's the great news. This is just really 3 blocks. And you're like, how can that be? When you study the quilt, you'll realize it's just half square triangles, hourglass blocks, and flying geese blocks. If you can make those, and we're going to show you exactly how to do this in a tutorial, you can make this quilt. It's 98 by 98, a beautiful bed-size quilt for a queen-size bed. Can you imagine this in your guest, maybe a guest room, where people just feel so welcomed by an overwhelmingly beautiful patchwork quilt that you've created. So this is an opportunity you don't want to miss out on. We have limited space as always. So let me tell you about the opportunities and what you're going to want to do when you head over to the website. Obviously, you're going to want to secure your spot in this. If you love patchwork and you love these rich colors that go from creams to pink to these beautiful chocolates, this is a very unique fabric collection, and you can see all the lovely fabrics here. The reason this dash is here, it's called an oops kit. It does exactly what it says. If you make an oops, whether it's a cutting mistake, a piecing mistake, that you're like, you know what, it's not just something simple to seam rip, I need to start again. Grab out your oops kit, press that fabric, give it a nice clean cut, and just start again. What a lovely low-cost insurance policy where you can just relax and enjoy 10 months of piecing this absolute masterpiece. And here's my favorite part about an oops kit. You will have fabric left over. There's no way you're going to be going through all of that fabric. That's your invitation to make a coordinating project. How lovely is that? Your other option, of course, is this lovely 9 yards of coordinating fabric. Of course, it's also from Evelyn's Hope Chest. Absolutely beautiful screen printed cottons from Marcus Fabrics. There's a lot of tools on the table, but let me call your attention to the ones that are going to be very important to you for this particular project. And that here is that ultimate flying geese tool. There is no more efficient way to make 4 flying geese units with minimal waste and maximum precision. There just isn't. It's absolutely a phenomenal tool. It works really well with the spinning mat. So if that's in the budget as well, I would love to encourage you toward the spinning mat. But the most important thing is that ultimate flying geese tool. In addition to that, if you have any concerns about your 1/4 inch seam allowance really being dialed in, you might want to consider the seam guides that help me dial in my 1/4 inch to make a quilt like this possible. And of course, anytime we're dealing with just precise cutting and patchwork, treat yourself right now when you get your spot, get those replacement blades. This is a lot of cutting. You are going to go through a blade and you want beautiful cuts every single time. And of course, the thread, the patchwork pins, that's the normal drill. And we all know what we need in our sewing room for really precise piecing. But those are the things that I want to call your attention to. And of course, the most important thing, getting your spot in this block of the month. What a wonderful way to welcome in the new year and know that this quilt will be possible by getting that spot right now. We cannot add to this program. We've already bought the most amount of fabric we're able to get. Don't forget that very important oops kit, the backing, that flying geese tool if you don't already have it, and any other notions you might need. Thank you so much for giving me part of your day to show you this beautiful new Block of the Month quilt available from Shabby Fabrics.